In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make the most out of HubSpot's user guide. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to locate key documents and set up your meeting scheduler, all within HubSpot's intuitive platform. To begin with, open your favorite web browser and head over to appna2.hubspot.com. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot dashboard. This is the main hub where you can access all the tools and features that HubSpot has to offer. For our purpose today, we're going to delve into the user guide, which is a crucial resource for maximizing your use of HubSpot. From the dashboard, navigate to the user guide by clicking on the designated link in the navigation bar. This will immediately bring up a comprehensive guide filled with various resources and instructions tailored for different aspects of HubSpot. Today, however, we're going to focus specifically on documents and sales tools. Once you're in the user guide, look for the section labeled Documents. Clicking on this will introduce you to a repository of resources that are essential for managing your HubSpot account. You'll find a variety of documents that can help you streamline your processes. Navigating through these documents efficiently allows you to extract crucial information whenever you need it. Next, we're going to turn our attention to the sales aspect of HubSpot. Within the Documents section, click on Sales. This segment is specifically designed to help businesses enhance their sales processes. Here, you'll find tools and tips that can aid in better managing sales pipelines, tracking performance, and boosting sales productivity. Finally, an important element for maintaining smooth and effective client communication is scheduling. So, within the Sales section, look for and click on Meeting Scheduler. This built-in tool is a powerful feature that allows you to set and manage meetings with ease. It enables you to synchronize your calendar with your HubSpot account, ensuring that your availability is always up to date. This feature can significantly reduce the time spent on back-and-forth emails when scheduling meetings, therefore increasing your efficiency. So, there you have it, a straightforward walkthrough of some of the invaluable resources available to you within HubSpot. By following these steps and utilizing these tools, you enhance your ability to manage and communicate effectively within your business. HubSpot's user guide is a fantastic starting point for anyone looking to dive deeper into the functionalities the platform has to offer. Make sure to explore more modules within the guide, as each one is packed with information that's designed to help you get the most out of HubSpot's robust offerings. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, make sure to experiment with these tools and watch as your productivity soars.